Hi, this is Jamie from Fourth Dimension Planner. Thank you so much for watching my video. Today I wanted to show you the new Canva feature, PDF editor. And this is both for free and paid users. So that's going to be great because PDF is one of the most used. This is going to be great because most of the PLR sellers include only PowerPoint and PDF. And let's dive in how you can use this. This is going to be great, especially if you don't know how to use PowerPoint or in that planner. So there's no fancy font here, but do not worry. I'm sure the Canva has some suitable font in their collections. And first thing you can do is look through it, of course. And a lot of many of the fonts moved around and misaligned, but you can align it after you change the font. First, you might want to align this and pick some suitable fonts. And to do that, we can choose. I prefer handwriting for this journal. So let's choose something like my favorite, Brittany. Oh dear. So you have to make it smaller, but that's not all it is because I think this is letter height. So after I changed around a little bit of letter spacing and line spacing, this is what it looks like. And I must say it's very, very hard to see. And there's no bold available for Brittany font. So we probably will have to look for different one. How about this Beth Ellen? Okay, this is so much easier to see. So let's switch to this one. And there is some shadow, which I will get rid of in this delete image. Okay. And if you want shadow, you can always go to Effect and add shadow here. And that's how it looks like, and it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go with this Beth Ellen in this planner. And you can do the same with those Beth Ellen, and you can make it, again, you have to get rid of all that shadows. Okay, let me go through the whole planner and come back to you. So I've done most of the monthly planners, but one thing I noticed is a lot of the alignment will be off when they converted from PDF to Canva version of PDF, and many of them, if descriptions are close enough together, they will put it together in the same box like this. So you will just have to edit it and patiently put it together. And I wanted to show you that. And also that when we converted this to this different font, it of course made it much bigger because this font naturally is apparently much bigger than the font I used. And again, if you put it, they put all those fonts and boxes together, so you just will have to get rid of all that and then start over from the scratch like that. But what you can do is duplicate and duplicate and change the date. Of the week like that. And once you're done with it, you can copy and paste from one page to the other, so you'll be consistent, and also you can save your time as well. So you can do the same with those. I switched it already to this new version of our font. And then what you have to do is select while pushing Control. Sorry, that was Shift actually. While you're pressing Shift and Control C and go to this page and get rid of that and Control V, just like that. So you can do the same with anything else. And let's get rid of that and that. And get rid of that and that and that and shadow. Okay, and Control V, and so you can continue to do that throughout the planner. Okay, I'll pause recording again. Okay, so it took me some time to clean up and align everything else, but I really like this new font, Beth Ellen. Pretty nicely, I think. And if you have bought this from me before, I think I will attach this template to this Zodiac journal. So you will have an access to this actual template. And if you're interested in purchasing this, I've included the link to the bottom of this video. So be sure to check it out, please. I hope this tutorial helped. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my station. Thank you for watching. Bye.